everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Hey Google on your Android phone. So every time you say this, it's going to pop open Gemini and then you can just start searching for something. Well, go to the top right and scrolling down, go to settings and scroll to Google services. So your phone might be have Google services on the top. You have a Motorola or a Google Pixel, but on the Samsung it's down here, Google services. Go to all services now. Scroll on down to Search Assistant or something like that. And I have it on my other phone popping up, talking to me. It can get annoying sometimes, so sometimes you might want to turn this off. But go to Search Assistant and Voice. Tap this and go to Gemini. Now under Gemini, they have the option for Hey Google. Go to here. And then just turn on Hey Google. Turn on Hey Google right here and match your voice. So once you have the voice matched, you have to read like 5 or 6 different sentences. You can say, Hey Google now, and it should pop up on your devices that you have it turned on. So sometimes this can get really annoying. Sometimes it might be helpful. But this should match your voice, so it should only detect your voice, so if someone else is saying it, it's not going to turn on your phone and start talking to you. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.